Still confused about buying Lifetime Offshore Hosting? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through the process, so you can place your order with confidence. Let's begin. First, open Google and search for HostingTom. Click on the official website. Congratulations! You've officially completed the easiest part of the tutorial. Now hover over the hosting menu and click Lifetime Offshore Hosting. If you're not ready to buy just yet, don't worry. There's also a free trial available so you can test the service before making your decision. Scroll down and you'll see multiple Lifetime Offshore Hosting plans. Compare the storage and features, then choose the plan that best fits your requirements. If you're just getting started, a smaller plan is a great option. If you're planning multiple websites or need more resources, choose a larger plan. Once you've decided, click Order Now. Next, it's time to connect your domain. You'll see 3 options: register a new domain, transfer an existing domain, or use a domain you already own. For this tutorial, we'll select I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Enter your domain name. Choose your extension like .com, .in, or whichever one you own. Then click Use. Now let's choose a backup option. We'll select the free weekly backup because protecting your website for free is a deal that's hard to argue with. Click Continue. You'll now arrive at the review page. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and click Validate Code. If not, don't worry, your wallet isn't being judged. Just click Checkout. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the additional information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you'll see your newly purchased hosting account waiting for you. And finally, click Login to cPanel. That's it! Now your Lifetime Offshore Hosting is ready to power your online journey. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.